Answer your door from anywhere with August View, the world's most advanced wire-free video doorbell. August View is made with your home in mind. With a variety of interchangeable faceplates and a slim, sleek design, August View looks at home in any entryway. Manufactured using premium materials, August View is built to last. A high-performance sensor delivers crisp, realistic video right to your phone. Be home even when you're not. Get instant alerts anytime someone approaches your doorstep, whether your visitors are welcomed or not. With August View, you are sure to never miss a moment.
Thanks for dropping her off, Scott.
Good night, Mrs. Hyden.
Pair it with an August Smart Lock,
Can you just open the door?
and you can let your guests in from anywhere. August View. Home, even when you're not.
Coway Aquamega 200C, the smart water purifier that provides clean, crisp water with one touch. Coway Aquamega 200C provides clean, crisp water at your fingertips for the health of your family. The direct water system provides an endless supply of clean, pure water and can also dispense large volumes at once. The unit stores 0.36 gallons of cool water, available at any time for optimal convenience. The Coway Aquamega 200C uses a two-step filtration system, which provides performance and cleanliness and is certified by the WQA. The filter system is composed of a sediment filter and powerful carbon block filter that removes sediment and harmful contaminants, providing your family with clean water and peace of mind. Additionally, filter changes are indicated with an automatic smart filter change indicator on the front of the panel, and changing the filters is an easy, intuitive process. Replacing your Coway Aquamega 200C filters is quick and simple. Coway Aquamega 200C is a smart system that pairs with your mobile devices. You can check the usage of the purifier and check the filter change status through the Coway iCare app. Coway Aquamega 200C's compact and sleek design ensures the purifier is space efficient and can be installed anywhere in the kitchen. The touch display makes for easy product interaction, providing the right serving size with a single touch. The design can also accommodate larger containers like water bottles. Coway Aquamega 200C, the smart water purifier that provides clean, crisp water with one touch. Coway Aquamega.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready. And August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.